ranking every startup in the YC Summer 25 batch based solely on idea. Next up, Magnitude. Automate any browser workflow with a narrated screen recording. Automate any browser workflow with a narrated screen recording. Ditch the tangled flowcharts. Just talk through the process like you're explaining it to a coworker, and our AI handles the rest. The idea that you can just simply screen record yourself doing a task and automate it using AI on this platform is super interesting. The regular average person does not have the time or the ability to just figure out, how do I automate this reporting with Python? They're not going to do it. I think of like very simple stuff. Like, let's say you have data on customers flows through your website and you need to generate a report daily that basically gives the information around when do customers leave the site, or how often is it that customers exit out of an app. You could take a screen recording of how you go about doing that process, and then their AI could just go ahead and do it for you and have that generated and sent to your email every single day. Boom, you've now saved yourself 20 to 25 minutes a day of something that you probably were going to do anyway. And I'm sure there's tons of use cases for this sort of tech. And I think that I've seen other automated ways of doing this, but the idea that you can just do it from a narrative screen recording is different. Magnitude for me is an A tier idea. And the reason my thesis is I'm putting it in A tier is because I believe that even though automated solutions exist, creating a user experience that is easy for the average office worker who is not at the cutting edge of AI, technology, all this stuff, they're just going in, putting their head down, working their 8-hour shift, and then leaving, right? Being able to do something as simple as, hey, just record your screen and talk me through what you are doing, and then I'm going to automate that task, is going to save teams, companies, millions of minutes over the next couple of months in terms of just the meaningless stuff that people have to do. Probably deserves to be an S tier, but I think A is the perfect spot for it. I love it. I think that it's a product that can be super valuable, especially in enterprise organizations. So make sure you're following, because we're going to be ranking every startup in the YC Summer 25 batch.